To estimate gas for Uniswap impermanent loss, it is essential to understand the key concepts involved. Uniswap is a decentralized exchange protocol that enables users to trade cryptocurrencies in a trustless manner. Impermanent loss refers to the temporary loss of value that occurs when the price of the assets in a liquidity pool changes. The first step is to calculate the impermanent loss using the formula impermanent loss equals 2 *SQRT pool price ratio / 1 plus pool price ratio 1. This formula takes into account the pool price ratio, which is the ratio of the current price of the assets in the pool to their initial price. Next, you need to determine the gas cost for the transaction. Gas is the unit of measurement for the amount of computational effort required to execute a transaction on the Ethereum network. The gas cost depends on the complexity of the transaction, the network congestion, and the gas price set by the user. To estimate the gas cost, you can use the Uniswap protocol's gas estimation tool or consult with the Ethereum network's gas station. The gas estimation tool provides an estimate of the gas required to execute a transaction based on the current network conditions. Once you have calculated the impermanent loss and estimated the gas cost, you can determine the total cost of the transaction. The total cost includes the impermanent loss and the gas cost. It is essential to consider both costs when making liquidity provision decisions. Best practices for estimating gas for Uniswap impermanent loss include monitoring the pool price ratio and adjusting your liquidity provision strategy accordingly. It is also essential to set a competitive gas price to ensure that your transaction is executed promptly. In practical terms, let's consider an example where the initial price of the assets in the pool is 100 and the current price is 120. Using the impermanent loss formula, we can calculate the impermanent loss as 2 *SQRT 1.2 / 1 plus 1.2 1, which is approximately 0.038. If the estimated gas cost is 20,000 gas units, the total cost of the transaction would be the impermanent loss plus the gas cost. In conclusion, estimating gas for Uniswap impermanent loss requires a thorough understanding of the key concepts involved, including impermanent loss, gas cost, and the Uniswap protocol. By following the steps outlined in this guide and considering best practices, you can make informed decisions when providing liquidity on Uniswap and minimize your losses.